If you like friendship dramas with a weird mystery twist, this one might be for you.
I cannot believe you just said that.
You heard me, you absolute muppet.
All right, ladies, settle down before you wrinkle your coats.
The show follows three middle-aged friends from Belfast, Shorsha, Robin and Dara. They used to be very close when they were younger, but life happened and they drifted apart. They meet again after the death of their old friend Greta. They all travel to a small town for her wake, and there they realize something about Greta's death and about a night from their past which doesn't add up. They find strange clues, hear about a mysterious group called the Evaporation Society, and start to suspect there's a bigger secret behind everything. So the three of them go on a road trip across Ireland trying to solve the mystery while also facing their own guilt and their regrets. The tone of this series is quite different. It mixes mystery, thrill, dark comedy, then emotional drama like about friendship, grief and growing older. At times it really feels like an older version of Dairy Girls. Same kind of fast dialogue and Irish humor but with heavier themes and trauma, responsibility, etc. Performances are one of the best part of the show. Shorsha plays a TV writer who is very anxious and full of guilt, and she feels very human. Robin is loud, chaotic and funny, but you can see her pain underneath. Dara is more quiet and grounded, and she is also dealing with her own trauma. Their chemistry as a trio is very strong. When they are just talking, arguing and remembering the past, the show feels very alive and real. Here's what I think the show really does well. The friendship between the three feels messy, honest. They fight, they joke, they hurt each other. The Irish setting and small towns give a series a unique atmosphere. It doesn't feel like a generic Netflix show. The mix of dark humor and serious topics works nicely in many scenes. You can laugh in one moment and feel emotional in the next. What did not work for me? The plot is very crowded. There are cult elements, secret organization, meta, TV writer stuff and social commentary all in one season. Sometimes it feels like too much heavy. The second half adds more character and twist and the story can feel messy and confusing. If you prefer a clean, straightforward mystery, you might find it a bit over the top. So overall, How to Get to Heaven from Belfast is a wild but interesting series. I really like the friendship, the humor and the performances, but I think the story sometimes tries to do more than it can handle. For me, this is a 7 out of 10 show. It's not perfect, but if you enjoy character-driven stories, dark comedy and slightly weird mystery, it's definitely worth a watch on Netflix.